What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna be teaching the single people, including me, how to get a girlfriend in Animal Company, of course. Alright, let's get to it. Items you'll need. Oh shoot. Want a hook shot? You might want a flashlight. Yeah. That's it. Let's go. Let's head into the forest. And then head over to the other. Next, you want to head over to my grandma's house. So, if you want a girlfriend, you want to make sure to keep your light on at all times. You gotta wait, hold your hands out. That will happen. Maybe I'm too ugly. Oh, sheesh. What the fuck? Keep your hands out, guys. It will. Make sure to follow this tutorial if you don't want to be single.